The High-Level Committee, or HLC, on Harijan Colony has finalized to relocate the 342 residences of Harijan Colony to the existing Shillong Municipal Board quarters by constructing a new building. Informing this, Deputy Chief Minister Piston Tinsong said, who is also the chairman of the HLC, said that the Urban Affairs Department had brought all the details and they have finalized it. According to Tinsong, as per the reports and details submitted by the Urban Affairs Department, it is possible to accommodate all the 342 families in the same place, and the department has been instructed to further submit a detailed estimate of the construction cost in place of the existing buildings, which are not very strong. He also informed that he will soon have a meeting with the Harijan Panchayat Committee, or HPC. The HPC had earlier agreed to be relocated from Them Eo Maulong on conditions that the state government should provide 200 square meters of land to each of the 342 families within the European ward, besides bearing the cost of construction of their homes.
Not less than 12 blocks of this building. 12 blocks means, each building will have maybe 30, 40 flats, units, like that. So let us wait till they completed the DPR, the detailed project report. Then only I'll be able to